Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Align Studio tutorial 163. And today's topic is how to add a single dot animation in a process map diagram in Align Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the next page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select concept sketcher because in Align Studio we want to generate a process map. You need to do it through concept sketcher. Okay, so I have already generated a diagram for my use case, which is process map for an online shopping system. Today we are talking about the animation, so kindly go to the animation panel. Over here, click on enable animation, and you can see a dot has started flowing around the edges. You can update the color like this. You can change the speed as well, and you can change the size of the dot as well like this from here. Okay, so this helps you to visually represent how steps move within your process map. So basically adding a single dot animation in ALN Studio helps you make your process map diagrams more interactive and easy to understand. This is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.